can't have it sit up a little bit because once it starts setting up, it's over.
We are so styling here. What are those, Thatcher? Yeah.
Oh, now I tell you what somebody could do is get a little rag and just take those 2 white spots off. You know, those ones up there, because they'll be there. But you can get them off before it starts kicking.
Where are they?
Those 2 white spots right there.
Cosmetics.
Just make them go away.
You said you had plenty of Sharpie stuff.
I do. No, I don't think there is. No.
And it always evaporates when we need it. Little did we know it'd only be a week.
Okay, we need some structure up here.
Okay,
We need that
ready?
screen.
Screen is
Very
ready.
quick here.
Yeah, well, here it is. I got it right here. Right in position. That's what I couldn't find. Okay.
Want another piece cut?
Nope, I don't think so.
Gotta get as much of this up here as we can.
No, I need more over here. Oh, where'd that come from?
Doc's right. I mean, these guys do this thing where they impregnate the screen. Kind of
No, I
beforehand.
know. I see the advantage of that.
Yeah, and then it just sucks up in there. Because it needs to.
Still, I mean, you can still use that trash bag if you want.
And you guys put a trash bag over the outside?
Yeah.
Well, that smooths it out. That
And
makes
then-
it, we can almost just,
And then peel it off.
Yeah, it comes off.
Yeah, well, you know, I got one
We'll just-
in my back cross.
we'll just
Oh,
use,
Do you want a piece?
Well,
I mean,
I think we'll just use
the Gorilla Tape.
Gorilla Tape.
But you put the Gorilla Tape on when that's set.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right now. I mean, it'll be a mess, but that's okay. That's not our problem.
Sorry, Gary.